Thank you. Representative Bachmann, do you think the 30,000 surge troops in Afghanistan have made a difference, and if so, where?
They absolutely have, but it's unfortunate. The request was made for 40,000 troops. President Obama dithered for approximately 2 months when he should have given the full complement of 40,000 troops. When he gave 30,000 troops to the effort in Afghanistan, that meant that a decision had to be made. With 40,000 troops, they could have conducted the war going into the southern province in Helmand and also going into the eastern province and dealing with the problem all at once and coming to victory that much sooner and bringing our troops home. When 30,000 troops were given, then our troops did the very best that they could by going into the south and dealing in the Helmand province. We actually have seen improvement down by Kandahar. That's a very good thing, and that's because of the brave actions by our men and women in that area. However, we have to recognize now President Obama has made a very fatal decision in Afghanistan. He's made the decision that by next September, our troops will be withdrawn. If that is the case, how do we expect any of our allies to continue to work with us? How can we even begin to seek the peace with the Haqqani network that are in the eastern region?
Thank you, Congressman.